bauble. It's cool, isn't it? What's even cooler is it comes apart, and you can then put stuff inside it. Give me a minute. There, bauble with tinsel inside. As good as that is, I did buy this with the intention of one thing. I intended to drip paint all over it. Do a flow art bauble. Seems perfect for me. And as you can tell, decorations haven't quite gone up yet, so this has been filmed a couple of days before all of the festivities and that start. But I have an idea. I only have a few friends, and I only have to give them a little something present. So I'm going to flow art bauble and then put something inside them and give them as presents. Let's see how it turns out, and if it turns out well, you'll see us give out our presents and see the end results. Merry Christmas. We're set up. We have 2, 3 and 1 there. We're going to pour into the cup, and there's a GoPro under it to show you what it feels like to be a bauble. We're going to pour into that. That's going to wobble. This is going to be interesting. And we've got Payne's Grey remixed because it was nasty. Green, gold, 2 reds mixed white and purple. We're going to mix mixed white. We're using green. Christmas miracle. Gold. It's a very pink. Looking like that, we'll be happy. Weird funky holes in the middle. It's a weird effect. The green's almost completely gone on that. I'm gonna swirl. Funky. If it only stays like that, that'll be cool. See how they dry. This is the problem. I've got to pick this up. Dark. It's grey, snowy, yucky day outside. Right, we have this. Okay, we're back again. Okay, that didn't take. The rest is done. This one didn't. This was the green and red and so forth. I'm going to try this. This is the house paint mix. And please note, it's got to 2 o'clock in the middle of December in London. So it's pitch black. So apologies if it's contrasty. Oh shit, lid fell off. That was well aimed. Okay, we've got Payne's Grey in there, then green, a little more controlled. Green's heavier. They always have problems with this Payne's Grey. And the Payne's Grey is still on top. Look at that. they stayed like that, that'd be great. I don't think it will. That one's not taken again. Isn't it weird? Okay. Okay, we're back. Let's see what we can do with this. Problem is, there's a lot of paint on these. Okay, it's a bit dark in here at the moment, but for context, I've done these and then realised I haven't shown you. This one's the one I didn't use and just the one that's left over. I need 4 sets. This is really well fit together. They fit really well. 4 context. Inside each one are some random things. 2 beer mats found at the beer festival. 2 lollipop sticks. 1, 2. If you want to know, strawberries and cream and a cola and 1 bottle of Rosehip Syrup that Tora made out of all the rose hips that we've collected on our walks this year, which you will see next year on the Out and About channel when we do our Climbing Moss Heart of London walk. Spoiler alert, that is. So they're going in there. All sealed? Yep, that is. That goes together a lot easier when there's not a ton of paint all over them. Like that. And they are the baubles. And that's what's inside them. Now let's see what people think of them when we give them out. There we go. This is 1 of 4. And we'll hand them out tonight and see what everyone thinks of them. This has got the rosehip inside it still, you can see, and the other little bits and pieces. These come out with varying successes. That one very clearly is the best of the whole lot. They're pretty good. That's the way to do it. You've got to do them in one piece and sort of coat them a little bit beforehand. Maybe a bit PVA glue might be a good idea. But the rest, not bad. Doing them in halves kind of ends up with weird half and half results. And yeah, then we have these. It's very definitely that way up and it works quite well. That was a lot of paint. What possibly could have done is put another canvas underneath and poured off of one canvas onto another to end up with like 3 or 4 canvases all painted. I could have done a double pour. Maybe next time. As I said, there was so much paint on this that all of that, the purples and the reds and the blacks, seemed to just pour off. But it is all I could really do because there was so much paint it would never have dried. And yeah, so I hope you like these and this, and let's see how everyone likes this tonight. And see if they actually like them, see if they can take them apart and put them back together again. That'll be a part of the fun. And if you did like this, give it a thumbs up, leave comments down below, suggest other things to do with Christmas baubles that's not Christmassy, or other things to pour paint over. And if you're not already and you think these are interesting and diverse enough for you to want to see regularly, then do hit subscribe down there and come back each time for something completely different. Until then, bye. Yes, they are. Yeah, and you can have the fun of trying to put it back together again. It's really fiddly, but it does go back together.
Rosehip Syrup.
Never get too many beer mats.
So you made that?
Oh wow.
What is this suspicious looking liquid?
It is Rosehip Syrup, which is very good if you've got a sore throat or cold or feeling run down. Tora made the Rosehip Syrup.
Oh, did you?
I can't turn this off. I've got a handful of baubles. Paint on the GoPro. No. Let's put these down. Oh, God, they're rolling away. Stop. 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 Why are you not stopping? Right. What do you think? Pair of ears?